Hello guys, this is SO Lego. Welcome back to part 2 of JB's submarine build. Today we're going to be building the rest of this sort of plaza section, and we are going to finish that off, yeah. So let's get started. Got bag number 2 here. I believe my dad is mowing the lawn, so sorry about that. But yeah, open that one up. We'll push that back and open the little bag. There. Push it instead. Move it back a bit. Push it all to the side over there. Alright. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make Van Geist. Alright. So grabbing his legs here, which have printing on them, and same with his shirt, they will have printing on it, and it doesn't look half bad. Alright, so what I'm just going to give me a second, get my light on, just so it's a bit easier to show you this sort of stuff. Alright, yeah, there we go. It's the printing he has on him there, and he has a bit of printing on the back there. I'm just showing you before I put on the rest of his get up. Next is sort of a green bandana. Sits here. And where is his face? It's here. His face is actually a little hard to see it, I think. It's sort of like that. Alright. It's hidden by the bandana. Most of it. Alright, and then we're going to add his hat, which is over here. Just to the top. There. It is Van Geist. Probably a little bit hard to see due to the lighting we've got. But that's him there. Alright, I'll put him over there. Next, we're gonna carry on with this. Right, so now the first thing we do here is we're going to grab 2 of these red cylinders, and they're going to sit on the back here and here. And you're going to grab these smooth studs, place them in front of each cylinder. One there and one there. And then grab 2 metallics, and they go to the outside of each of those. Like that. Right, and next we're going to grab these, which are like a grey, oh not grey, black. It's got that sort of to slot in it, so stuff inside in and out, and that goes on them like that, and then you get a 1x6 grey piece, light grey piece that goes over top of them, connecting them to that red cylinder piece there. Alright, cool. Now putting that down for a second, the next piece we build is going to be what actually slides in and out of that. Right, so you want the sand 2x6, you want to grab this sort of desert tan sloping tile there, sloping brick, and on it you're going to place your blue 1x2, and you're going to place two of these sort of 1x2s which have the sliding stud, or the sliding sort of attached onto the end there, and you're going to grab two claw grays to sit on the end. I'm going to call them claw grays. In fact, I might grab these, call these ones grab grays. Right, and then your sand colour on top of there. And that's all. It's really simple, but it does slide into here. So I could hold it like that, and it wouldn't drop. But like that, and it would. Right, so that just slides in there. So we're going to leave that sort of half out. Alright, and next we're going to have some, I don't know, shrub, I'd say it's shrubs. You're going to find a 1x3, a grey 1x3, like that, and you're going to place a metallic stud onto it, there, like that. Right, and now we're going to grab one of these pieces, which allows it to open up, like that, you know, to adjust what sort of angle it's going on. Alright, and then from there, we're going to place a grab grey facing downwards, like that, along with the angled bit like that. And I'm going to grab one of these blue sort of tree leaves, put it on like that, and another metallic stud to go next to it there, completing it there. And then you're going to add a smooth grey on top there, so that to complete that. And naturally we are going to add a sticker to that, and I believe the stickers for these are 1 and 2, like that. So I'm going to do that, placing sticker number 2 on first. Focusing for a second. Yeah, there we go. Just like that. Right. So that is just gonna stick on here. Like that. We're going to have it sort of out like that. And now we're going to do the same for the other side, so we're going to do what we did in reverse. Or, and not reverse, but opposite. So like that. Place it down. Stud there. Facing outward there. And the grey put down there. Just like that. And on top, your smooth grey. And now we're going to place number 1 on that. Sticker number 1. Still got another 4 stickers to place actually. So that's going to be fun times for me ahead. Alright. And same deal. that one is going to go just on the outside there. So they can sort of clip in like that and come out like that. Alright. So next we're going to use these pieces here. And you're going to add a smooth black 1x2 top of it like that. And then we're going to put stickers on it. So we're going to be putting stickers number 11 and 12 on them there. So number 11 will come first. So let's get that on there. So like that. A little hard to see. Right, so actually using this piece here, I'm going to turn this around facing this way, which is the way it's actually meant to face, surprisingly. Well, at least surprising to me. I'm going to slide that in, and then connect it there. That, and that is going to connect to that there. Alright, and now doing the same, grabbing one of those and a black smooth one, we're then going to place number 12 down as well. Place number 12. There we go, just like so. And that is going to go on the other side. So it's going to clip onto it there. Alright, and then that is going to clip onto that there. So now with that, these will pull in and push out. Very handy. So we are going to leave it pulled in just for a bit. Alright. So next, we're going to grab a couple of these light greys and they're going to go on the back there and there. Then we're going to add these sloped 2x3s. They're going to go on the outside there, just like that. Alright, and now moving on to this bit over here, we're going to add a corner piece, a grey corner piece there, and then we're going to do some stacking on top of it. So we're going to put a grey 1x3 outside there. We're going to place a blue 1x2 on the inside, moving one in, and on the very inside, a smooth 1x1 tile, just like that. Alright, and moving along this way, we're now going to add one of these pieces just there with the cross on it there, and then we're going to add sort of this sort of mini arch piece, semi-arch I would say, on the outside there, and just to level this out, that will go there, and then that there, like that. Alright, and then we're going to use this desert tan piece. It's going to sit on the inside there. Now light grey 1x2 on the outside there, like that. Alright, carrying on, we're now going to place a 2x4 grey piece there on the outer foremost studs, and then a sloping downwards black piece there, like that. Alright, and now we're going to grab a sort of greenish blue piece, slope it down that way there, and then a grey single tile there, 1x1 tile there. Moving just down to here, we're going to place these sort of clips with the clip bit facing on the outside, just like that, just like that, and then we're going to add the piece where the submarine will attach onto. So that bit has one of these joined into it there, and then it has one of these facing outward like that, and then a piece like that also facing the same direction like that, and that will just go into that blue cross bit we laid out earlier, just like that. Right, and then on that grey grab, I'm going to place a black bush there, and in front of that, without the blue bit there, place like a grey slope there. Alright, and now we add a little bit of decoration. So we're going to grab this 2x2 tile. We're going to grab this piece here, and then that one on the other side with a blue sort of smooth piece there. And if you haven't guessed it, we're going to place second to last sticker number 8 there. That's probably the best look you'll get at the sticker, to be honest, because it doesn't seem to want to stick, or not stick, but show very well after it's been placed. But it's just going to go onto there and allow it to move like that. Alright, and now we're going to grab this long piece and stick it on the back over top of all of that there. Hide the guts. Alright, and then from there we're going to place the grey semicircle there, and a bit of stuff at the back. 1x2 blue stud, 1x3 grey tile, light grey tile, and then a sort of triangle arc slope just there. Alright, and then from there we're going to add a bit more, add one of those to the outside there. I'm going to grab a grey tile and put it there, And then we're going to grab 2 more of these bits and put them on the end here. In there. Just like that. Right, now building a bit backwards, I'm going to place that piece there, and in one of these ones there. So this is building sort of like a tree in a way, because these bits are going to go on top of this here, like that, and then we're going to have that black down piece like that. And then a black grab, oops, that's broke off, put that on first, that back on there, and the sort of slope down piece on top of it there. And yes, I did get the right colour this time. Right, so the first one of these is going to sit just there. Just there. To give it a bit of texture. And the second one, which gets the lucky last sticker, is going to sort of be arranged like that. I'm going to flip it over, place that bit there, and that bit there, before placing a red one this time. There, like that. Right, and now we're going to place sticker number 10, which is the very last sticker we have. So lucky for me, I now have no more stickers to place. Alright, and now that I've done that, that piece will go there. Just like that. Alright. Spin it around. We're just going to add the tree bit. Oh, not like that. But that's going to sit there. Like that. And we'll shove one of these through it, just so it doesn't come off. Alright. Next, we're going to make the statue of, Statue of Evil. Alright. So we're going to have this bit facing that way. His torso here, which will go on it like so. And then we're going to grab his face, which actually has 2 settings there. And there he's a bit more angry. And then his hood on top there. Now we're going to make his sort of staff. Like that, stick onto the lightsaber hilt, and then the green gem on top there. And there we go. That's his stick, or his statue, or his I don't know what it's called, staff there. So what I was looking for. He's just gonna sit here. Like that. this piece in front of him there, like so. And that would, see, that actually goes into there. Let's add the submarine. And there we go. That is JB's submarine. We actually have enough here to make another staff, so I'm just going to do that quickly. There we go, second staff. Alright. So that has been JB's submarine, set number 70433. This has been a fun little build. It has actually gone on longer than I expected, for being as low price as it was. As low price as it was for me. But that's good. That's a very good thing, because that's what you want. Alright. I do have some more sets on the way. Some of them hidden side, some of them not. But yeah, other than that, this has been SO Leo for now. And I hope you have enjoyed. Thanks. Peace.